Okay.
They learn to search. I'm a legend. They want revolution. Bring on what you got. Prove yourself in the ring. Knockout. I'm next level. Pick it up. Fight your battle. Bounce up.
Welcome back, guys, and welcome to another banger video. So today we're gonna be unboxing the two bays, the Cosmic Vector Battle Set, guys. Okay, we're gonna flip it around. And the two bays that we're going to be doing unboxing are Destruction Bellfire, and you see that one over there. Okay, we're gonna get this camera. Magma Infiltrator.
I read it.
My bad. All right. So,
The stats. Look at this.
as you can see, the attack on Belial is a smooth 9, and then you have the burst ability. The burst resistance is a smooth 5. So, and then you have the defense. The defense is kind of low, so it's a smooth 3. The weight, it has a pretty good weight, probably because the QDO one.
Nexus 2.
QDO
one.
That's what it says.
Yes, I know.
And then we have the agility, which means it moves around the battle, the stadium really good. And then you have stamina and basically endurance. It can it's not better than my boy Magma over here, because
It is.
let's go to my boy Magma. All right, its attack is a 9, but that burst resistance, no, it is a 1. The defense, it's higher than Belial's, which is kind of weird, because how you gonna have a lower burst and then like have better defense? You know what I'm saying? And then we go to weight. It's kind of the same, the same weight as Belial.
Word.
But then we get to agility and stamina. That is the main key in this battle, and that will be the way he wins.
So you take it, Alfredo?
Yes.
Okay. You did go over these parts.
Dude.
The core, apex, mode.
Alright. Wait, whoa.
Okay, listen.
Mm-hmm.
All right, right here. You got the wave attachment.
Mm-hmm.
The core mode.
Mm.
Wave.
Mm.
Apex mode. High mode.
Mm.
Okay. Core.
Mm.
Apex.
Mm.
You see? Yeah. And with this one, it's Jaggy. Jaggy driver.
I see.
I don't got wave, by the way. The wave pretty good. And then on this side, for Belial, he got attack his main driver, which is I forgot what it's called. All right, and then we got yielding for the stamina tip. Yeah. All right, now you open it, because this is gonna be your first one.
So, we're gonna slowly unbox this. Get the bottom here.
Yeah, get the cardboard. Take that out. Just slide the stadium right out. Come on. That's it. All right, that's it for the box. We thought that away. I'm gonna put it over to you.
Look at this stadium, guys. I have to have the little attachments over there. Alright, so I'm just gonna put that back over there. But then, this bad boy right here, let me get the scissors.
Okay.
Alright.
We ain't go over the instructions.
That almost fell.
Okay. Put it. Ooh.
No, I'm doing it.
Okay. Dang.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Look at this, bro. It's crispy.
So crispy, bro.
Crispy.
The next day.
This is definitely not another day, another retake, These are raw, out of the box bays.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap. No bullshit.
They'll have 2 different color codes on it.
Yeah, me neither. Yeah, I mean, I kind of wear the same thing, but I'm not wearing that champion hoodie. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Dang, look how shiny it is. And that's with Sharpie. Ain't no way. Like, all right, yeah, yeah.
Is this the part after where I said I want Magma over Belial?
Yeah, he was like, he's gonna win and stuff.
Well, I have an instinct, you know what I'm saying? Not just because this is like
another day.
Yeah. But like, I think, I would have picked Belial.
But I'm being
I mean, not
belly
this
out.
time. Not this time.
I mean, I'm being belly out right now, so like.
What you mean?
I mean, we still got the battle part, cause that part looked good. But everything else is bad. So let's just go over the parts real quick. We got 2 armor. We got the belly out chip. I'm keeping that in. We got the belly out chip, you know what I'm saying? Looking crispy, looking clean. I definitely did not customize it. This is straight out the box. Let's go. Here's the QR code. All right. Here's
Bro,
the.
I need to download the game back.
Oh, yeah. We got the dynamite layer
You
thing.
made me delete it last time.
Yeah. And then I asked you to install it. You said, never again. All right. And then we got the 2 armor. Yeah, definitely did not color it. It's definitely made out of metal. Super flexible though.
Just squeeze the metal. It's definitely made out of metal.
Yeah. All right, here we got the Nexus disc, which is not a super rubbery kind of metal.
What?
You know, at least a Hasbro version can have the sprites and attachment on it. And then we got the Venture Plus. Let the wind go by because it's messing up the audio. Venture Plus yielding, you know, very nice. Stamina driver.
It's making me mad.
And attack. So the easiest way to take it off, push them parts.
Bro, what?
It's kind of hard.
I'm steady trying to take this middle piece. I look so slow.
They didn't see you.
Oh, so you can't take it off. Man, what, bro?
All right, now we got the Eichberger chip, which is apparently a really bad chip. Here's the QR code. All right, here's the Magnum layer base, very
Reggie.
fiery. Yeah. Did you know this bay is owned by a girl? So this is my first bay officially owned by a girl that don't look like a girl that's a boy, but official anime stuff, people.
Who's a girl that looks like a boy and that boy?
Now you do. Free. I don't know who else though. All right. Gwen, you said that's a girl. Remember the one that owned it?
Yeah, talking about Apocalypse. I mean, no, not
Genesis.
Apocalypse. Yeah, Genesis.
Yeah.
Bro,
And then we got the
that most definitely was.
CQ, Sequix. It was not a girl. This is Sequix.
What's the C mean?
Huh?
What's the C mean? C quick. What you quick?
Yes, Sequix. That's what it's called.
What the C stand for?
Sequix.
What the C mean?
CQ.
What the C?
I don't know. Stop being weird. I gotta cut this part out anyway because there's copyrighted music in the background, so I'm gonna have to put music in the background of this video. That's not copyrighted. All right.
Look at that sway.
This compared to the anime, here it is. There's a picture of the anime one. It's not gonna appear on this side. That way you looking at the camera. And the anime version of this one. Definitely not the Takara version. I mean, it definitely is the Takara version. All right, let's just get to the battles. With the 1v1. So, which one you picking? Nah, you gotta continue with the last video, bruh.
Bro, what? Oh, last video? What you mean last video?
I mean, yesterday thing, yeah.
What you mean yesterday thing? It was the same day?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, can we battle here?
Next video. We're gonna make a whole different video about it. That thing can fly and it's windy, so that's bad. Alright, by the way, with these launchers, you can take off the attachment and put it on here. So you don't lose it and then have grip, I guess. I don't know. But we're gonna both start off in our low mode plus attachment.
Just like I grip you. You know I saw Quincy the other day?
I saw him when I was in high school.
What?
I was in high school. But yeah, we both got it on our low mode, but the attachment. So let's go 3, 2, 1.
Already winning. And a couple seconds into the first.
Make sure. Yeah, you do better.
Alright.
Let's see who's gonna win. Oh, I still took that W. You put a lot of stamina left over.
Wow.
Yes, sir. I'm not even using a good launcher.
You know, this is. That's a dub.
How you gonna say it's gonna come down to race, but he's black?
That's what I'm saying.
So you want you be the black man later?
Yes.
Here, you be the black one.
Black person. Look at all that gold.
That's not gold. That's yellow. That's pea. All right, we switch the days to make it more even. Let's see who's really got better skill, me or him.
But I cannot put it on.
Are you struggling, man?
Alright, there you
3, 2, 1. I like how I'm still going around, and I'm not even the text, but I'm on balance. Yes, wait, Pepe. Oh, all right. Now, rock. Driver broke. Never. Already. Well, I'm making a broke, and I still can't fix it. So until I can fix it, we're gonna use it without that. So Ragnarok was one of the best. Let's do it. Yeah. Surprisingly, this is not bad. Let's do a whole 3-way. Let's do a whole 3-way. Let's go. Absolutely. Oh. 2, 1, let's go.
Like Spike Lee on the woods, smoking on bad nigga. Don't text my wifey, so I know I'll get a text bad nigga. 45 on my white tee, used to have the shit on the dash nigga. Got a lot on my psyche, on my mind, I ain't talking ass nigga. Like I said on that
You of course. All right. Nah. So I got a question for y'all. This is the old one. With this one, right? You can't put it together. Do y'all like it or? I honestly don't care because I never did put them together. But yeah, next one. Let's go. Next battle. 3, 2, 1, go.
See, I wanted the black one.
No, I'm not. Okay. Since this is a new stadium, we're just gonna test out the new base. Check out Fafnir or Rock the War. Fafnir or Rock the War. Okay, Fafnir without rubber mouth. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. Alright, we got Spit Still versus Dynamite or Bella. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, maybe Belia, Jagged, Legends can help Fafnir Spit Still like crazy. Without rubber, that's a disappointment. It's not quiet battle.
Swimmer versus this swimmer versus?
Yeah, I think so.
This swimmer.
Or you just suck. Why are there bugs over here?
Probably because I'm so
Good.
such a snack.
Yeah.
You gonna cut that out, right?
Nah, I'm a
Nope.
Go. Hopefully you can slow more away from me this time. You can. You want rubber mods? You like suck it.
I like it when they burst. See, watch this. I'll burst it.
Impossible.
See?
My slopes are better. Alright, now we just gonna do Rock the War with the never attachment. Yes, people. Why do I say that? Because I'm deleting the how to fix tutorial and I'm just gonna keep it as it is. I can't fix it with super glue. So if you got one, you good, okay? But if the other one gone, if they both off, too bad, so sad. Deal with it. Buy a new one. But if one off, then you Gucci, man. You know what I'm saying?
Gucci, man.
I guess Hasbro definitely did not think about them breaking, considering they're plastic. All right, 3, 2, 1. Even though you can't really. Does it blend with the stain? I don't know, but it looks so cool on film. I can't wait to slow-mo battle. Slow-mo version. Bruh, this in the slow-mo would look so good, but Rock and Roll will.
What they're saying and what we see is so much better, bro.
I know. Here, get Belly Out. We go do Rockavore versus Belly Out. All right, let's go.
Look at the black man.
3, 2, 1, go. So we're using anime low mode.
I knew I was going to win. I didn't say I lost. I knew I was going to win.
All right, next we're gonna do Magma Ifrit versus Fafnir. Let's go. Who do you want to take first? Fafnir or Magma? Okay.
That's fine.
Okay. I mean, you might lose, but you know, we don't know. All right, now we gotta do a stadium gimmick real quick. We go this way, so we're gonna take off this one. No, just one. All right, guys.
I'm so confused. What does that do?
This make you go to the middle. If you take it off, you keep going. So you get a wind up. All right, come on, let's go. 3, 2, 1. It is. That's why I'm holding it like this. Camera adjusting. Adjusting it. Mid battle. Let's go.
That's because this is on top of it. That's why I was taking that.
All right, who's winning?
Me, of course.
Fafnir. Okay, let's do another battle. This time, I'm switching our critter. Jaggy. So we got low attack type. 3, 2, 1. Go. This happened in the anime. That didn't happen in the anime.
That should be slow motion.
Yeah, that's gonna be a slow-mo moment. Yeah.
It's mine. No, this
Do Belly Out, Ifritter, and Fafnir.
no rock the war.
No Rockavore. Because we already did 1v1s. Alright. Let me get them ready.
You got 2 and I got 1.
Yeah, I got 2. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. I mean, he did it. He did it.
Bro, how did I lose?
Alright, we're gonna change the tips, Jaggy, this time, and then we're gonna end off the video. Alright. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do this too. So we got Yielding,
I took my
Jaggy, and Extend Knockoff. So yeah. So he gotta go first.
Oh, no.
No, me, because he got bad stamina. Alright, let's go. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Go. And you died. That was so cool. So we got a low-mo battle. Let's see how good the stamina tip is. If it is.
He lost so much stamina in the period of.
A little bit.
Oh my lord! Why did I do that?
Oh my lord, Jesus Christ. Alright guys, I had to feature everything we didn't mention. Yeah, these can come off. The drivers can come apart. Stop. And yeah, that's it. Go, you do the outro. Like yesterday. Like the intro and stuff. Alright guys.
All right, guys. Well, next time on Dragon Ball Legends.
We'll see y'all in the next video. Next video shall be a new video y'all never seen before. It's a stadium. that y'all never seen before from anybody, anywhere. It's an exclusive stadium to my channel, and it's poor. All right, guys. Hope to see y'all in the next one. I will start uploading more, hopefully, but I haven't been uploading as much because of school, obvious reasons. All right, so yeah, I hope y'all can understand. I'm at 433. Let's try to get that to 450 by the end of the month. All right, guys, see y'all in the next banger video. Peace out. Giggity giggity goo.